Are you trying to start or buy an existing business or franchise in Orange County, California? Would you like to learn how to buy a business, grow your profits, and make it run without you? Please remember to like, comment, and share the video.
Well, you've come to the right place. We have great news for you. Help is out there. We don't want to see you struggle any longer. But this information is for serious and committed people only. Check this out.
Today we're talking about how to find businesses for sale near me. Now, for those of you that have not had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that big red button below. Also, give us that big thumbs up for liking the video, and please share this information. Thank you. Hi, my name is Houston with Three-Way Funding. I'm the founder of the Three-Way Funding program, and where we teach you how to build up your business credit, how to restore your personal credit, how to get funding for your business and personal needs. Okay? And when you're considering buying a business, always tell people, why don't you prepare yourself as a business first before you buy someone else's business. This way you're already in position to go in and buy the business and be able to possibly have the funding ready to buy the business also. So with the Three-Way Funding program, we actually teach you how to incorporate your business properly. Now, this is important for three main reasons. One, is going to help you minimize your tax liability. Okay. Number two, it's going to help you separate your business and personal assets. That way, if there's any type of liability caused by the business, you don't want them coming after your personal assets. And number three, what it's going to do is going to help you build up your business credit as well as your business bank rating, because the revenue that you have coming into the business paid into the corporation is going to build up financials to where you'll be able to take those financials to raise money to get more money for the business to expand the business. Okay. Now, one of the things that I always tell people is that if you're looking to go into business, especially with considering using a partner, you should be set up as a corporation. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if you are a corporation or form a corporation and you have partnership, if that other person sets up a corporation and you have a separate corporation and the main corporation is buying the business and having those revenues made from the main corporation pay back to your separate corporation, that way if you all decide to part ways, at least you have activity in your own separate corporations that you'll be able to continue on. Or say that things go sour, now you would have revenue coming into your other corporations that you can raise money to buy that other partner out of the main corporation. Okay. And say that you have someone happens to pass away or something like that, and you have shares, their family has shares of the company, and you decided, hey, I don't want to be in partnership with the family. Well, because you have revenues coming into your main corporation, then you can take that capital to buy that family out of the main business. So you don't have to go through this tug of war back and forth. Okay. Now, another thing, when considering buying somebody else's business, another thing you must really pay attention to is seeing if they owe any back taxes, because you don't want to end up buying somebody's business and they owe a lot of back taxes. If they owe back taxes, if you make an arrangement, say, okay, I'll buy the business at a reduction of their price and I'll agree to pay your back taxes, then that's a different situation. But if you're trying to buy the business and they have back taxes and they still want full price, you do not want to touch it, because that tax liability, when you buy that business, is going to transfer to you, and you don't want to be stuck with somebody else's financial burden when it's not necessary. So if you want to get a discount on a business and they owe back taxes, you can say, hey, what I'll do, if you give me X amount of dollars discount on the business, then I'll pay all the back taxes. Then you're taking on that liability. However, you're getting the business at a discount. Okay. Now, another thing is looking at how they market the business. This is one of the very important things that a lot of small business owners, they have the biggest challenge, because they don't know how to properly market their business to get more customers, which generate more revenue. And so in the three-way funding program, we actually teach you how to properly market your business, as well as find others how to market your business to help grow the business and generate more revenue into the business. The reason you want to do this, again, because the person that you may be buying the existing business from, they may not have done a very good job at marketing the business, and so they may be relying on that consistent base of customers that they always been serving. However, when someone else is taking over the business, because that customer may not have that relationship with you the way they had with that existing business owner, they may not want to patronize the business the same way. So you need to learn how to market the business, so that way as you take it over, you'll know how to get customers, more customers in the doorway, to be able to increase your revenue so that you can expand the business. All right. So I hope that this helps you and encourages you. If you're deciding whether you're wanting to buy a business or build a business, three-way funding will show you how to structure yourself so that you can get qualified for the funding to do either or. So if you want to get full access to the three-way funding program, click the link below this video and get started today. Also, like I said, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that big red button below and give us that thumbs up. Thank you.
This will only work if you take action today. In fact, you'll discover our closely guarded secrets. You don't want to miss this special offer. You could learn more directly below this video.